Gourd friends, welcome back to my studio. If you are new here today, this isn't one of my typical videos. What I want to do is share with you my DIY project that my husband and I just finished in the studio over Thanksgiving break. We decided we've been wanting to replace the floor in here since we moved in about 9 years ago. And I was happy to say goodbye to the bright red carpet. If you've been here before, you know what I'm talking about. We decided on a tile floor because this room was actually built on top of a concrete slab. And since we installed the stove last year, we had, by necessity, we had to put down tile for the stove to sit on. So that was step one. This project for the studio has been going on for quite a while, several years. So this was last year's, and then this year we did the floor, and I'm really excited about it. And I also want to share with you the art tiles that were done around the outer border of this, where the stove is. That was actually made by a friend of mine who's a potter. Her name is Amy Holland, and I will put a link to her work down below. She normally does mugs and bowls, but she likes a lot of the same things that I do with nature, and she has a lot of birds and flowers and that sort of thing on her work. And I had asked her if she would make tiles for me to go around this, and she gracefully agreed to give it a go, and they are beautiful. So I will give you a little tour of that, and yeah, that's it. So like I said, this isn't my typical video. I usually don't do DIY type things, but I'm just really excited about how this room is finally coming together, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go. So here is the painting side of the room of the studio. You can see my easels and the stove and my gourd working side, and of course the famous bright red carpet. And here I am just packing stuff up. There was a lot of stuff to pack up. All of my tools and supplies, and my cat Smudge snuck into the closet where I keep all of my junk. And here goes the carpet. Goodbye carpet. That was a lovely sight. And here my husband is peeling up the pad that was underneath the carpet, and with everything removed you can see that concrete slab. And I don't know what Smudge is doing here. She's teasing Pepper with her tail. And here's my husband starting to fit the tiles in. And that's the first course. He started at the stove and then worked back to make sure that that was squared up around the stove. And here's more tile. The last ones to go in was around that back edge because there was a lot of tile to be cut there. And I just wanted to let you know, take a look at my blog. I'll leave a link below where you can see pictures of the individual tiles that Amy made. I was hoping that we could get away with this being a groutless floor, but we had to grout. Yeah, and then the grout. Dun dun dun! So here I am grouting. This is the part that I could help do. My husband single-handedly laid the entire tile, so I wanted to be able to help to do something with this floor. And yeah, this is early on when I still had energy and my back wasn't killing me and my legs weren't killing me and my arms weren't killing me. Oh my, this floor, I did not realize how big it was until I started grouting it. But let me tell you, it looked great. And the acoustics were wonderful. My daughter and I had an impromptu fiddle session to take advantage of it before the furniture went back in. So here it is all finished with all the furniture put back, and we got a little throw rug in there just to make it a little more homey. And here is the gourd area, and this is Pepper sleeping in his basket, and the painting area. We also decided to get another couple little throw rugs to put under the tables, just so that the floor is a little warmer under our feet, and a couple little paintings I did over the weekend. And there's my gourd area, again with a little throw rug and some ornaments I've been working on, pretty much working on ornaments for the past month mostly. Get back to work. The floor is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't my usual kind of video, but I was just really excited just to show you what we've been working on and the transformation of my studio. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to bring you some more content in future videos from this newly renovated space.